Guys, morning, what's going on? Today I'm here in my food truck, a Jamaican food truck, getting ready to hit the streets. Right now it's 8:20, yeah, 8:20. So I'm trying to get everything ready. Oxtail, curry chicken, curry goat, brown stew, jerk chicken, curry shrimp, mac and cheese, rice and peas. So yeah, that rhymes good. So yeah, I'm here in the morning right now, just getting some stuff ready because I have to cook before I go to my location, and I don't cook at the location where I park. So right now I'm here getting stuff ready. I'm have mac and cheese right there. I'm gonna make the cheese sauce for the mac and cheese. Curry goat over there, rice and peas, curry chicken over here. Let me show you a little bit. So right here, that's the pasta for the mac and cheese. Okay, the macaroni I should say. This is the cheese sauce which I'm gonna be making. Had the cheese in a little bit. Alright, this is the curry goat cooking over there. See what's going on? Good curry goat. Alright, over here we have the two rice and peas over there. Two big pots. This is the oxtail. This is the curry chicken going. Yep. Curry chicken going right there. I'm gonna do some soup too. So I'm not really heading out until about what, 11 o'clock because I set up at 12. Alright, let me show you what's going on now. This is my jerk chicken out here. Yep. I just flipped them a while ago. They're coming along. I just need to sear them and then I just put them aside, let them soak, you know. See, color coming on good. Yep. See, they're coming along. So yeah, this is my jerk chicken out here. This is like what? 30 pieces of jerk chicken. Yeah, so I'm just getting ready, as I said, you know. Right here, cheese sauce for the mac and cheese. Yeah, so I'm doing my thing. Jamaican food truck here in US. In VA. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just making sure the curry chicken don't stick. That's one of the main things. People don't like mushy curry chicken. Your curry chicken must be tender, but still cooked through. You know, not mushy like pulled pork. No. My meats are not mushy like pulled pork, you know? So, yeah. They must be cooked fully. That's why I'm cooking the oxtail like that. They must be cooked, fully cooked throughout, and then not mushy like, you know, tear falling apart. It must be still tender, and you can bite it off the bone. You're gonna see my oxtail in a little bit when I go there. Yeah. So right now, as I said, I'm just getting ready. My second is not here yet. He's coming. He's coming in about what, 9 o'clock? Because I said we leave at 11. So he's just coming to help me, you know, around. Get gas in the generator, you know. Just basic stuff, you know. He's just my help. I'm the one who come here in the morning and cook all them things, man. As I said, curry chicken, jerk chicken, oxtail. Curry chicken, jerk chicken, oxtail. Brown stew chicken, curry shrimp. I don't cook the curry shrimp. I cook the curry shrimp to order. So I don't really cook the curry shrimp here. Everything else is cooked here because it takes a little while to cook. As I said, it's like 8:25 now, and I'm gonna set up about 12 o'clock. So you see how much time I have to get things ready. Yeah, so yeah, basically that's it. You know, Jamaican food truck here, and it's cold, by the way. Yeah, it's like it's winter time now, so it's cold, really cold. Yeah. But the people love this type of food, you know, in this type of weather, in the cold weather. Yeah, I'm just, you know, giving you a little bit. I'm gonna be doing a little video, you know, just to show you how I do stuff. You know, I'm gonna cook in other stuff. I'm gonna be cooking other stuff, I should say. You know, just to show you how I do it, like, you know, regular stuff, like one-on-one regular stuff. But today, you know, I do Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday on the food truck. So today is Friday, so I have 2 more days left. But like in the week, I prep. I go to the store and prep and all of that. So, you know, it's basically it's me alone. You know, so yeah, I mean, I'm here doing my thing. I'm gonna season my pot now. You'll be seeing more of me, you know, so stay tuned. You're gonna see how I do stuff. I do baking also, but that's another day. But you're gonna see a lot of stuff from me, you know, coming. So stay tuned. If you could just like my video and also subscribe, I'll be appreciated. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, I'm here. So I hope to show you a little bit when I'm in full operation, like when I'm busy. You're gonna see a little of that also. So yeah, my oxtails, I don't want to overcook it because this pressure cooker is real good. It's real, you know. Yeah. I'm just making sure my curry chicken is not sticking to the pot. I'm still trying to sear it. You know, no water as yet. Yeah. Still trying to even with my curry goat, I'm still trying to, you know, add water to curry goat the same time you put it in the pot. You know, you let it cook in its own juice. Yeah. So right now this is cooking in its own juice right now. See what's going on? Own juice. I didn't put no water inside here. Oh. Yeah. So yeah. So I have a 4 burner over here, and then I have to buy a 2 burner to get me all, you know, all this stuff cooking on time. Yeah, so yeah, I'm here doing, you'll be seeing more of me, like, you know, definitely you'll be seeing more of my cooking and what I do, you know. So as I said earlier, if you could subscribe to my channel and like my video, I would greatly appreciate that. And so, you know, because I have good things coming, trust me. Yeah, good things coming. I'm gonna show you how I cook each individual dish one day. But for now, I'm just starting out, so I say, you know what, let me show you what I do. Respect, man. One love. Good jerk chicken right there. Check this piece out. Just did some cabbage. Yep. Curry goat. Good oxtail. Yep, there's some brown stew chicken. Guess what not selling today? Curry chicken ain't selling today? Yep. This is where we're at. Little tip jar right there. And we think that's the menu over there. Yep. Yep. That's us right there. Alright. Cheese fell over there. Yep, we here.